Hi, today we're going to learn about the while loop. First, let's type in int I is equal to 0. While I is equal to 0, system dot out dot println I. Let's run this program. And here you can see that I prints out continuously, because while this is true, this statement gets executed and it continues to be true, and I hasn't changed yet. Okay. Now, to stop the program from executing, we have to add I by 1. Now, this is a short way of adding I by 1. This is equal to I equals I plus 1. Okay. Let's run the program. Here you can see 1, 0 is printed out. Because when we added 1 to I becomes 1, and therefore I is not equal to 0. And when it's not equal to 0, it breaks out. Another thing that you can do is add break here on the program, and breaks out after one loop also. And this is it for the while loop, and thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos.